Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now it's like 7 or 8 in the morning and I woke up really early because I'm going to Singapore today. Yay! And this time I'm going to Singapore because it's my cousin's wedding tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Saturday, so my cousin's wedding is tomorrow, and then after that I'll extend my stay and I'll just chill in a bit in Singapore. So this is gonna be my vlog. Stay tuned, and I'm not gonna be taking a flight to Singapore. I'm going to be driving, like my family is gonna be driving to Singapore because we have a bit more stuff to bring. So yeah, see you! I'm in this coffee team for brunch. It's called 688 in Yongping, JB. Hi guys, I'm finally in Singapore now and the time is around 2 p.m. We stopped by Yongping for lunch just now, so it took about 4 to 5 hours to reach Singapore. I'm checking into the hotel now. I'm finally in my room and this is like a duplex. It has 2 floors and there's one large bed upstairs and a sofa bed down here. So I'll show you guys how this room looks like. So when you enter the room, okay, hi sister. When you enter the room, on this side is the shower area, like this. It's very simple, and opposite it is this room, which is like for use to go toilet. And then here is the washing up area. There's a mirror, sink, and like for your everything. And then there's a table here and a sofa bed here and like a little dresser. So this is all they have in the first floor. And moving up to the second floor, it looks like this. So it's a really simple, it's just a bed upstairs. So it's a separated bed, and down here it's like that. Right now I'm at Gardens at the Bay and it is so hot and tiring because I'm bringing the kids. Say hi! Nobody say anything. Hi! Yay! What you say? Playground. Playground? Where's the playground? There. I regret wearing long sleeve and long pants here. It's so hot. Look. Oh my god. It rained for a while just now when I was walking in Gardens by the Bay. So right now I'm at this satay by the Bay for dinner because I'm so hungry. The last thing I ate was for brunch at Yongping. We have been walking for so long and we are so full and tired. Hi guys, so right now I'm back in my hotel room. It's just around 9:30ish, but I'm so tired because I feel like I walked a lot to in the Gardens by the Bay thingy, and we had dinner and it rained so on. So finally I'm back to the hotel and I'm gonna shower and get ready for bed because I need to wake up really early tomorrow to attend my cousin's wedding lunch. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I get ready. Bye! Good morning everyone. So I finished getting ready for today, and now it's around 9:50, 8:50, 9:50, and I'm waiting for everybody to come here so we can leave the hotel. I woke up at 8 and prepare for this. Say hi! You want to say hi? This is my cousin's wedding, Sher Hong, and her husband is Lenard.
Sher Hong to share my life. Of course, our journey wasn't without its hiccups and troubles.
Your decisiveness helps make me make decisions when I can't make up my mind. Your chill, very laid-back attitude.
So right now I'm done with the lunch and I'm going to change my clothes. I put my clothes in the car because after this we're going to Jewel Changi. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go change first, and here are my lotions. Hi guys, I just changed into a comfortable shirt and also a shoe. So right now I'm going down to the car and wait for everyone, and we'll go to somewhere. I'm queuing for ice cream now, and the line is super long. Our queue is here and it's all the way up till there. Finally, we made it after 40 minutes of queuing. Ta-da! This is the lychee strawberry, the one of the best sellers. Hi guys! I'm back after a super long day and I'm super tired. It's around 10:30 now and I'm gonna remove my makeup and go to bed already. But I just want to say that I didn't get to vlog that much and I didn't get to, talk to you guys that much because there were many people with me, like my family members, my cousin, my uncles, my aunties, and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.